Good morning, y'all. I'm up today. About to go load up these vending machines at these 3 locations. I got these snack machines. Just getting up this morning. It's rain last night. It's a little bit cool. I'm liking it. It's ain't out yet. So I'm trying to hurry and get this done. Shouldn't take me that long to fill these vending machines. I need to go stop by Walmart. Just go buy me a little bit of things and go to the store. I got all my snacks in the storage unit right now and try to get me a warehouse. So I'm going Walmart first, then I'm gonna go to the storage unit, grab what I need, all my snacks, load it up. When I get back, this whole car will be snacked up. So I hit y'all boys up later. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes what we got. Let's go. Trying to organize everything in here so I can try to get more room in here. Got a lot of stuff to put in here. So far, looking really good. I want to grab my big bin that I have and put it in here. I'm trying to make some room for the bin. I put everything on one side. That looks more better. Pistachios. Let's see, I got these big boxes. Let's see. Got this much to play with right now. I'm trying to get the rest of it in there. Should be able to. Okay, y'all, I'm in my first location on the west side over here. I'm offloading my machine. Got my machine right. Got the place right here. I'm going there right now. Going inside. I gotta put my crate and set up things right. So I'm gonna grab everything I need for the 2 stack machines I got in there, and then leave the rest in the car because trying to take all these boxes in there and then pulling things out of the package and doing all that stuff, the boxes be everywhere and I gotta pull all that stuff up and it just takes more time. So I'm gonna try this method today and see if this works for me right here with the cart. I might need a smaller bin next time. That'd be more easy and I think more organized because I'm gonna just dump snacks up in here and run like that. But I'm gonna get it more organized. I got some Monsters and stuff and everything to put in the soda machine because I know they drank the Monsters like crazy here in my soda machine. And I forgot to put Diet Pepsis in there last time, so I put these Diet Pepsis in there and got all this stuff. So I'll hit y'all back up when I go inside the building, okay? Peace. So now I'm in my first location. Soda machine, so this is out of here. Like I said. Soda machine. You know, I had to put some Diet Pepsi in. I put Diet Pepsi in here last time. So let's see. Stop. You see, it's Diet Pepsi's in there. They just ain't pushing down. So I gotta put some more in there. Alright. Let me see how I look at these machines because I know these credit card sales or more. So Let's see. We got here. Got a little bit right there. It's probably about 20 bucks, something like that. It's back on here right. I gotta put the phone on. So let's fill up this machine. I was really coming for the snack machine, not the drink machine. I just need to put a couple dollars. Well, probably gonna fill it up if I can. So let's see. Now I'm gonna do the snack machine. A lot of stuff is empty in this machine right now. I'm gonna put this down here right now. Got some change in it. So go to the card here. And bam, look at that. Stack of money. Stack money in there. Like I'm going to the end of the month. Just coming to fill the machine up. I'm trying to show y'all that. Okay. So something's up with this machine. Alright. Let me fill the machine up. I'll get right back to you. So now I am done with this one. Looks good. Looks good. Priced and everything.